come back to this and put a little vibe on. I'm definitely at 6 months. You're over here. I'm definitely at 6 months at this point. I'm so happy about it. I just washed my hair. I actually have a photo shoot tomorrow. I was just watching the 3 of Cups video with Mama D, Jasmine, and Destiny. If y'all get into them, shout out to y'all because I get into them. Yeah, thinking about the shadow, I must say, something that's been coming up in my readings, it feels like lately, is like, yeah, Aries season is bringing the triggers, and I feel like a little bit this is because it's a new astrological year, so it's like, what did you learn? New bullshit, new conflicts, new circumstances and conditions, new things to deal with, right? And I'm saying this because, like, the things that are bothering me right now, I'm looking right at my shadow. Like, I'm turning around going, and then listening to them, it's like, now that I can hear my higher self, what does my higher self have to say? So I'm leaning in. That's what I'm doing. I'm leaning in, but I'm also retwisting my hair. So I think we're in the right headspace. At least I'm working on my headspace while working on my headspace. You feel me? And yeah, like, I've done some shadow work, but the work is never done. Oh, by golly, it's never done. That shit don't ever get done. And then when things come up, it's kind of like, girl, I thought I didn't care about that anymore. You made me believe I didn't care about that anymore. So, but honestly, what I will say that I have learned is that I'm slow to react. I am not what you would call a hothead. Never have been. Interesting, okay? Earlier, I was watching Queen Poe talking about Orishas and stuff like that. I've also been getting in my readings that I kind of need to learn about. It's funny, I took this class in college called Life After Death, and it opened me up to other religions, and now in my readings I'm sort of getting this note that I need to open that up again. So yeah, that the Orishas, she was saying, like, a very primary step in, like, identifying your Orishas is like identifying the self. What did she say? It was kind of like, in so many words, who you are by nature, not the person that you are now and have adapted to be. It's like the person that was like 2 or 3 years old. And what's interesting about this, me saying that I'm not a hothead, never have been, although I am 2/3 of the big 3 fire sign, I've never been a hothead, and it's because of my Libra moon. The balance, right? So yes, hothead, no. Shy, that was definitely me as a child. I think I just learned to give people hugs early on. Yeah, it wasn't until later that hugs seemed like odd to me, or people treated, this is kind of cute. Oh, do I wear my hair like this for the, Okay, sorry. Slow to react. I'm proud of that. Whatever, man. But this is cute. I told you earlier I didn't have my braid, and this is kind of cute. This is kind of like listen, and still got people out in the parking lot. When does that stop? But I think she got somewhere to go. To be honest, trying to like pop. Oh, yikes! I don't think that was really supposed to happen, but I heard that's what happens. No, we're all good with that, and it's not quite out in the parking lot. This made me think a little bit of Roll Bounce when they were saying Nap's hair sound like they biting an apple. Put a comb through and it sound like they biting an apple. That's what just happened. Okay. This is what I was actually gonna show y'all. It's giving pineapple. I'm here for it. 6 months. 6 months, man. I told you you should have started you. Told you. Okay, this is the last time I do though. Before I do that whole time lapse drawing. I am making this Loc Tonic courtesy of West Indian Bray. Hey girl. Shout out to her, she getting married. But yeah, I'm definitely trying to get back to understanding who I was when I was younger because I have adapted. Yeah, we're back. And it would do her great justice to, you know, like really be the person that she wanted to be in all of its kindness, in all of its rawness. Yeah. And it's nice that I have found 2 elements already. 2 elements that I wholeheartedly agree with. So I just filled that up with distilled water. I could probably do a little bit more. A little more, just about halfway, maybe a little more. I'd rather have more water than anything. Distilled. Aloe vera. Uh-oh. I think I could do a little bit more. Because I don't really want a whole hell of a lot of rose water. This is rose water. Please don't air me out. I know this is not a good time. I don't know. I haven't really seen anybody use this one. Ooh, that might have been too much. But after I finish this, I'm gonna buy the more expensive one. This has lasted me 6 months, which also probably means I'm not moisturizing my hair enough. I'm aware. We all got things to work on. Oh, and this is actually gonna be my first time putting this in my hair. This is Kaleidoscope Miracle Drops. The original one. I don't know what that means. I don't think I can see the ingredients. I don't know if they're even on here, TBH. Nope, just some directions. Oh, ingredients: tea tree, oil, aloe, barbadensis, leaf extract. It isn't that many ingredients, but I can't pronounce all of them, so curiosity killed a cat. I think I'm gonna just do one. It's feeling a little risky already. So yeah, I have a photo shoot or whatever. And honestly, I have a lot of maintenance to do. So not only my hair, my eyebrows, I probably need to sugar again. And I need to make sure I know what I'm wearing. I might as well just keep these out. That way I probably reach for them more so I can use this more. Got these from, I was about to say eBay, Amazon. That's how much I don't use Amazon. I almost call it eBay. 2 came in a pack. Alright, so now I'm gonna get into my hair. And of course I'm gonna lapse her up. I don't want them to do that. I want them to like relax, feel moisturized, you know, give them a little massage. I'm not trying to do the whole elbow grease thing, right? So I think that was successful. I've done that before. It's kind of like a light roll. And I really vibe with that. This is done. Like I said, I'm gonna flip my laundry over. Then I'll probably do my eyebrows. So if my laundry's not finished, you know I'm not, finished picking out my wardrobe for the season. So I still have clothes everywhere. And then I'll probably come back with my braid, or I might just hit that up in the morning. I'm really only trying to be up for like another hour. That's it. So, that's what it gives. It gives ready. And I'm not shaving my sides. I'm trying to wear my hair. Until I did that little style earlier, I was really trying to wear my hair down so you wouldn't see my sides anyway. Yeah, I think I'm gonna wear them down. We'll see. And when I style them, I'll show you how I did it. So look forward to that. I'll see y'all. Good night. Oh, and of course, happy 6 months to me. Happy 6 months to me. And the growth, like, jaw really brushing jaw length, brushing her. Yeah. Ear length, we have surpassed ear length. We're officially at jaw length. We're trying to get to chin length. And we'll get there. We'll absolutely get there. Y'all, I'm gonna go put my bonnet on.